How to use Widgetable app for beginners. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your Play Store and then search for Widgetable app. This is the app you would be looking for. Simply install it. Then, after you have installed, launch the application. Here you will see several widgets and you can use it by simply tapping on it, and you just have to select a pet or an egg and then save it. Simply tap on add, and now as you can see, the widget is successfully added. So that's how you do it. You can raise different pets and parent them, and you can add it in your widget. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.